Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to cover the Dash Compact Air Fryer. Alright, the Dash Compact Air Fryer, 2 quart, 1000 watts. They also have a 2.6 version of this, as well as a 2.6 digital version. I also believe there's a 3 quart version. But for today's video we're just going to have a look at the 2 quart. And I got this off of Amazon for $47.97. And that time of recording price is early April of 2023. So this is very basic. This is very easy to use. It's going to be a quick video. I'm going to try to get straight into it. This is a manual version. You have 2 dials. You have a timer dial and you have a temperature dial. The timer goes up to 30 minutes from 0, and you have the temperature dial goes from 170 all the way up to 400. Let's take a look inside. Not much, just the drawer and this removable, I guess we call this a food tray. Removes for easy cleaning. And in the unit here, which I'm going to show, you have the heating elements and the fan, which is above that, which you really can't see too well. And just a quick note, once again, this is 2 quarts. Here's the room you have, 6.5 inches across. So, I mean, it's almost on the verge of not being practical. You would use this for French fries, fish sticks, mozzarella sticks, things like that. I've done French fries and fish sticks in this. But for cooking like chicken or like a pork chop, a steak, it's just not going to really serve too well. You also have this settings chart in the manual. And it gives you some ideas for the different types of food you could cook in here. I want to make mention of something. First, I did the thin frozen French fries, 400 degrees, 16 minutes. That came out fine. I also did fish sticks, like I mentioned. It's not on here, but I went on the I went by the instructions on the package. Now, today's video, we're going to do some drumsticks, 3 chicken legs, but we're not going to be using these times and that temperature. That's incorrect. If we do that, even on the high end at 22 minutes at 350, it's going to come out undercooked. So we have to make some adjustments. So I went ahead and I prepped the chicken legs. We're just going to keep it simple for this video, very basic. I just did some extra virgin olive oil, black pepper, and some adobo seasoning. Nothing too fancy. And we're going to cook it at around 375 for about 15 minutes, flip it, and then cook it again for another 15 minutes. And these are all approximate times. We're not going to do the 22 minutes at 350 because I'll show the results right now. It will come out undercooked, and if you go by that booklet, you're going to get sick, or at least you're rolling the dice. All right, 15 minutes are up. Let's see. So far looking better compared to testing. Now we're going to flip them and give them another 15 minutes. All right. Half hour, 375 approximately. Let's see. What do you think? Much better than testing. Let's see. That is perfect. Moist. It's not overcooked. And it's definitely not undercooked. See what you would have to clean. Take the tray out. It's all the grease. No big deal. Cleans easy. Okay. That's going to be the video. The Dash Air Fryer, the 2 quart. I hope the video was interesting. I hope it was helpful for anyone who's considering getting this unit or just comparing it to something else. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. I love reading your feedback. Please like the video and subscribe. That's definitely helping my channel grow. And I will see you in my next one.